Let's provide answer to this question under GCSE past question June 2013 question 18. We are to make P the subject of this relation. So in this case, we know y equals to 3p squared minus 4. Rearranging of an equation, we need to isolate all other terms away from p for p to be alone. How do we do that? This is a negative 4. So we add the opposite of this to both sides, meaning y plus 4 equals to 3p squared minus 4 plus 4. That would have given us 0. Alright. Then 3 is also multiplying p squared. So we divide both sides by that, meaning y plus 4 divided by 3 equals to 3p squared over 3. Whereby the 3 will cancel, leaving us p squared equals to y plus 4 all on 3. The p is still having a square, which we need to eliminate. So here you are going to find the square root of both sides, meaning the square root of p squared equals to the square root of y plus 4 divided by 3. Alright, what do we do? The square will cancel the square root, making p equals to the root of y plus 4 divided by 3. I'm sure you'll be thinking the root of 4 should be 2. Then you cancel the root. It will not work that way because the top is having arithmetic addition. So we cannot take the square root of only the 4, leaving the y. No, the 3. So this becomes the answer to this if we are to make P the subject. I'm sure we are cool with that. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.